I swear to God, I am not being paid by the developer of SkyNet, but I just like this plugin, so I just make a video about it again. What I like about this plugin is the sound, not so much the controls and everything, but I already covered that in the other video. But the sound alone is reason enough for me to just keep on using it. Today I will show you how to make a white reverb with SkyNet. For that, I have a guitar sound here, and when I run the plugin through the guitar, now you will see, and also hear, especially if you're listening with headphones, that it's not very wide. Actually, it's not wide at all, it has absolutely no width. This reverb just doesn't add width on its own. But what you can do about that, instantiate an instance of NEL, which is a vibrato that I made, and then run the track again. As you can see now, it is so wide that it's basically all over the place. Now let's dial it in and out to hear the difference while playing it back. As you can hopefully hear, it is night and day, and it is also mono-compatible, because when you are putting it to mono, it still sounds cool. Now what you have to do in NEL in order to get that sound is you have to just set it to left-right stereo configuration so that it uses a different vibrato for the left and the right channel. And then you have to just set up any modulators that you like and turn up the width parameter. It has to be a modulator that has a width parameter for that. There are multiple ones in this plugin where that is true. I just made an LFO with two different speeds, both with the sine wave curve, and then turned up the width to the maximum. Now let's listen to everything together again.